RiKhasi palai jo katayo konar ke sangma ulai thu bula bathai katrat pulit ber kumchuru ya katrat social welfare jo kajala Meghalaya bah po shipos ni kireban penbiang ye kirukom trei kam naga benta bantela ka me ke Jing Jyllei drugs ha kajala Meghalaya ki babun ki rang ba shnong jong ki dong bar ki shnong ba pher jo kajala Meghalaya kila penpau ke Jing Halor ke Jing Jyllei jo drugs ha kajala Meghalaya Halor kani RiKhasi palai jo katayo konar ke sangma ulai thu bula bathai katrat pulit ber kumchuru katrat social welfare jo kajala Meghalaya bah po shipos ni kireban penbiang ye kirukom trei kam naga benta bantela ka me ke Jing Jyllei drugs Nakaliang katanat pulit kala persyang manwanra iki kor ki bor. Kumno wan pensange eka jingrung udrox sheki benta ba jong ke jala.
So in the same line, we have discussed about the issues of drugs. I have been visiting many localities in Shillong in the past, 2 months, and wherever I go, the elders in those localities, the Rangba Shnongs and other members have always been mentioning to me about the menace of drugs and the concerns that they're having. So based on that, we had called a meeting, and Home Department and Social Welfare were there, and we have again, as I said, we have asked them also now to come up with a more detailed, plan and more detailed report on what are the actions that have been taken and what are the proposals that they want and what support they need to make the activities even more aggressive. So from the police point of view, more machines, technology to be able to scan and be able to, stop the entry itself in different locations. So if the technology is available, if more manpower is given, so they'll be able to do. So I've asked them to make that report and submit to us by another 10 days time. Similarly, from the social welfare side, what are the actions and programs we've done for the preventive aspect, for the awareness aspect, and we've asked them also to now prepare a more detailed program on how each department, each organization, each headman, society, locality can play a role in ensuring that the awareness can be created about saying no to drugs. And third part is about rehabilitation. So we reviewed all the aspects of rehabilitation, and we have felt that there's more need for more rehabilitation centers in certain areas which are seeing more of this impact of drugs.
Ukondar ulai thuru baka Sorkar Jylla Halor ka bakloi ban kirsha ni ki sengtrai mon ngobha naka benta ban bu ki rehabilitation center ya ki breu ki blakirni hauni ujingdi pun buai.
If there are organizations and NGOs which are capable, which government can then support, it would be more meaningful at the end, because then the society would be involved in it. So as and when we'll wait for the comprehensive plan from the social welfare, and if they feel that we need to ask the department and the government to set it up, then definitely we'll look into that aspect also. But I would want that it would be in a PPP mode. It would be more meaningful, and I think the management would be better and it would run better, because the NGOs have a sense of purpose and they're specifically doing this kind of aspect. So involving them, I feel, is more meaningful, and therefore I would want more NGOs to come forward, and we are ready to work with them and support them. And that's the comprehensive plan that I'm waiting for. So after 10 days, we'll sit down and we'll take it.